Okay, I'm filming now. We got a little baby button.
Button number 2.
Button number 2. And we're going to try to transfer little button and to go in the carrier from the little trap.
Hard for me to see the kitty because it's black.
Yeah, very hard to see. And it's dark.
Can you flick on those 2 lights at the front, please? Right
How do you do
by
that?
your head. No, right. Oh yeah,
There. That's a little bit better. And we've got a poor scared little kitten.
It's alright.
Come on, baby.
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. I'm patting him now. It's okay. I'm not gonna eat you.
And here comes the little baby button. Oh, that's a sweet little one. What a precious thing.